What if for just $40 per 24 hours you could live with the Tesla Optimus Gen 3? A humanoid robot with advanced AI, engineering inspired by EVs, and groundbreaking capabilities in performing household tasks and workplace assistance. This is no joke. If you don't want to miss the chance to experience the latest generation of the Tesla Bot at this unbelievable cost, stay tuned throughout this episode to get all the details on Tesla's newest plan to revolutionize the future with its cutting-edge technology. But before we begin, please help us reach 12,000 subscribers. It will be a huge motivation for us to continue bringing you great techs. And you can ring that bell to get the latest notification if you don't want to be left behind. All right, let's get started. According to valuable insider information, the Tesla team has revealed a plan outlining the timeline and initial costs for customers to rent the Tesla Bot Optimus Gen 3. It all starts with the robot operating continuously for 16 hours at a cost of $40. This time frame is particularly beneficial for Optimus's deep learning process, allowing it to adapt and execute most daily human tasks effectively. Of course, bringing home the latest Optimus unit won't be easy in the initial phase, as all potential users will have to complete a series of application forms. Tesla will carefully and meticulously select customers, primarily targeting individuals aged 45 to 65 and some people with disabilities. The reasoning behind this is clear. Optimus is designed with the future in mind, aiming to enhance the lives of the elderly patients and individuals with disabilities by making their daily experiences more enjoyable and convenient. Although the market is already flooded with various humanoid robots, most of them come with hefty price tags and are not widely accessible. This is primarily because their functionalities often require users to have extensive experience and technical knowledge just to get started and set up initial connections. Figure AI appears to be making remarkable progress, consistently updating its manufacturing process and developing new robot models. However, most of its plans are focused on deploying these robots in factories for production purposes. Furthermore, their price tags remain a significant barrier, with costs reaching over $100,000. In fact, Boston Dynamics' humanoid robot is priced as high as $150,000. Optimus is set to become one of the most affordable humanoid robots on the market, with Tesla revealing a production cost of just under $15,000 per unit. This initial rental strategy aligns with Tesla's mission to make advanced technology accessible to as many people as possible. Businesses will also benefit significantly. Retailers, for example, can use Optimus for inventory management or customer service, while restaurants and warehouses can enhance operational efficiency by integrating Optimus into their workflows. For businesses, the return on investment could be achieved within a year, making Optimus a practical and valuable asset. During the first 4 hours of using Optimus, any task you assign to the robot will be performed, but at a slower pace. This is because the AI is actively learning and executing tasks autonomously without requiring step-by-step instructions. In the next 4 hours after a learning and rest phase, the Tesla bot begins observing human behavior to understand your habits, your rest times, meal schedules, and daily routines. It then creates a schedule to assist you more effectively. Optimus can cook meals, wash dishes, load laundry, and clean your home while you relax. What's truly shocking is that in the final 16-hour phase, Optimus will be fully autonomous and perform all tasks at 10 times its initial speed. Elon Musk has emphasized that Optimus's ability to learn and improve through data collection is the foundation of its development. With each interaction, Optimus becomes more capable, bringing it closer to the vision of a fully independent assistant. Something you might not have considered, Optimus requires a rest period when it begins recharging. At the core of Optimus is Tesla's advanced 4680 battery technology, the same breakthrough that revolutionized the company's Cybertruck. Despite its compact yet powerful design, this battery is optimized to deliver stable energy for continuous robot operation without interruptions. The first version, Optimus Gen 1, was equipped with a 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery, allowing it to run for 8 hours before needing a recharge. However, for Optimus Gen 2, Tesla is expected to upgrade to a 3 kilowatt-hour battery, extending continuous operation to up to 10 hours with superior efficiency. Even more impressive is Optimus's ability to self-charge. Unlike traditional devices that require manual plugging, Optimus can autonomously locate a wireless charging station to recharge itself. During the charging process, it rests, much like a human taking a short break. The energy will be supplied by solar panels that Optimus installs as part of its mission on Mars. The rise of humanoid robots like Optimus raises significant social and economic questions as robots take over manual labor and service jobs. Optimus also paves the way for innovative applications in education, healthcare, and disaster response. Imagine a robot assisting medical staff in emergencies, teaching children in remote areas, or providing companionship and care for the elderly. These capabilities highlight the profound potential of robots to enhance human life in meaningful ways. Elon Musk envisions a future where robots like Optimus are seamlessly integrated into daily human interactions, from serving drinks at social events to actively participating in family activities. According to Musk's confirmation on X, he wrote, "Bots would be offered both as rentals as well as to buy, but the former first." In fact, the leasing option is an efficient approach to reducing the burden for both Tesla and customers when Optimus is first launched. Previously, Musk mentioned that a significant number of Optimus units would be operating in Tesla's factories this year for testing, with some expected to go on sale in 2026. We are not certain whether the $20,000 price that Tesla's CEO has repeatedly mentioned is projected for 2030. But we must acknowledge that it would be very difficult to maintain such a low price if Optimus were to be released next year. Musk has stated that the price will gradually decrease over time, indicating an initial price fluctuation. Costs are expected to drop as cheaper Chinese components become available when Tesla begins manufacturing these robots at Giga Shanghai. Imagine the affordability of renting or leasing a Tesla bot once Tesla achieves large-scale production. Tesla Optimus could be yours for just $40 a day. With the bot working tirelessly for 16 hours a day, the cost drops to only $2.50 per hour. This makes it more than just a robot. Tesla is essentially creating a deflationary machine, one that will help reduce the cost of living for humanity. Of course, many people would still be willing to buy one, or even multiple units, even if the price isn't $20,000 but rather $40,000 or even $50,000. The reason is simple. Optimus has the potential to generate tens of thousands of dollars in annual profits. In a previous episode, we demonstrated that Tesla Optimus could bring in a monthly profit of $3,679. Even if the actual profits generated by this humanoid robot were lower, it could still pay for itself within just 2 years. That's assuming Optimus is truly as useful as a homemaker for families. Therefore, the utility and number of tasks Optimus can perform will be crucial. For the initial rollout, we believe that Optimus will primarily be available to Tesla employees and celebrities with connections to Elon Musk. This wouldn't be unusual, as even newly launched Tesla EVs follow a similar pattern. However, Tesla is expected to quickly begin deliveries to external customers shortly after. Tesla's decision to introduce a humanoid robot leasing program may also be due to higher than expected initial costs. Musk hasn't revealed any further details, such as who Tesla plans to lease the bot to, or how the Optimus leasing program will work for both consumers and companies. The process for applying to rent these robots remains unclear. However, we believe that both the leasing and sales programs will include Tesla's safety conditions and standards to prevent the misuse of the robots. If possible, we'd love to see a rental price below $100 per month to ensure more people have the opportunity to experience it. Not everyone can afford Optimus even if they genuinely need one. Will the leasing program limit the tasks that Optimus can perform? The answer is no. Optimus's neural network system will not impose any restrictions on the robot's analytical capabilities. Combined with its 22 degrees of freedom hands, which Elon Musk recently highlighted, Tesla Optimus is fully capable of performing a wide range of tasks, making it an ideal solution for replacing human labor, especially for those who have lost mobility, are dealing with health issues, or have disabilities. During the creation of this video, we conducted a short interview with individuals with disabilities and those suffering from multiple sclerosis. Some expressed difficulties in performing daily tasks and activities. Additionally, visually impaired individuals could benefit from Tesla Optimus's advanced mobility system, potentially replacing traditional assistive tools such as canes and guide dogs. By leveraging advanced computer vision and 8 sensor cameras, the robot can navigate with 98% accuracy, detecting obstacles more effectively than guide dogs, which may struggle with temporary construction barriers. Having a Tesla Optimus assisting around the house, especially with tasks that require bending down to the floor or navigating uneven terrain for yard work, would be life-changing for many individuals. Musk's prediction that Optimus will become an essential tool for households is well-founded, as he genuinely cares about this customer base and aims to improve their quality of life. This is especially evident in the groundbreaking efforts of Neuralink, demonstrating his strong commitment to the elderly and disabled communities. Optimus can perform all required tasks without limitations on health, time, or financial constraints. It won't complain about human weaknesses and will help individuals regain a sense of purpose and independence. And the best part? You don't even need to spend $20,000 or more on a new model. You can rent Optimus for just $40 per day and have it start working in your home immediately. How is the Tesla Bot sales target going? Recently, Elon Musk confidently stated that the Tesla Bot Optimus can independently navigate 98% of complex environments and react in just 20 milliseconds, with a plan to produce 10,000 Tesla Optimus Gen 3 units by the end of 2025. Tesla is leveraging its AI infrastructure, manufacturing capabilities, and real-world testing across 1,000-plus real-world tasks to prepare for mass production in 2026. Tesla's internal goal of producing 10,000 Optimus robots in 2025 demonstrates its strong commitment to scaling humanoid robotics. While Musk acknowledges that this timeline is ambitious, he emphasizes that even delivering a few thousand units would still mark a major milestone. Currently, Tesla's Fremont factory is preparing for initial production, targeting 1,000 units in Q1 2025 before ramping up to 10,000 units by the end of the year. The company's confidence stems from its vertical integration capabilities. Tesla's expertise in battery systems, motor design, and AI training, honed through its automotive division, provides a key advantage. For example, Optimus's actuators and sensors use the same technology as Tesla's autonomous vehicles, enabling cost-efficient component sourcing. Furthermore, Elon Musk confirmed that Gen 3 production lines are being designed to scale up to 100,000 units per month by 2026. In a recent investor call, Musk revealed that Tesla is actively testing Optimus prototypes in its own factories, where they perform basic logistics tasks, such as fetching parts and monitoring assembly lines. Moreover, Tesla's data advantage is undeniable. With over 5 million vehicles on the road generating real-world driving data, the company has accumulated a massive data set that directly informs AI training for Optimus. This symbiotic relationship between Tesla's automotive and robotics divisions accelerates problem-solving. For instance, navigation algorithms developed for full self-driving are being adapted for the robot's mobility system.
I think like next year, my prediction is next year we'll have over 1,000, maybe a few thousand Optimus robots working at Tesla.
Initially, there was speculation that the Optimus robot was designed exclusively for use in Tesla's automotive factories, with no clear indication that it was being developed for civilian applications. Currently, nearly 1,000 humanoid robots are operating in Tesla's factories, performing tasks to enhance production while continuously collecting data for future manufacturing improvements. This number is expected to surge significantly in the near future. So far, we have received information that Elon Musk's confidence in the project has grown significantly, and the number of robots has now tripled, quadrupled, or even quintupled. Looking ahead to 2026, Tesla aims to increase production to 50,000 to 100,000 units, a tenfold growth. At this stage, Optimus will be officially available for sale to external companies and individual. From 2027 onward, Tesla's goal is to produce 500,000 units, another tenfold increase, in an effort to keep up with the projected 30 billion humanoid robots in the market. Initially, there was speculation that the Optimus robot was designed exclusively for use in Tesla's automotive factories, with no clear signs of it being developed for civilian applications. However, Elon Musk later clarified on X that Tesla intends to produce a limited number of humanoid robots for internal company use, starting in 2025. With the disclosed production cost of $15,000 per Tesla Optimus unit, Tesla may go beyond its initial plans, such as offering rentals at $40 per day or selling them at a higher price to optimize profits, potentially not at the previously stated $20,000. However, shortly after things run smoothly, that is, once Tesla can mass-produce the robots, they will focus on bringing this first lineup into production. It could turn into an assembly line. If they manage to produce between 5,000 to 10,000 bots in 2025, that would be their current target, ramping up the supply chain. Once they exit the manual production phase and shift into assembly line manufacturing with mass production, building dozens per day, the selling price of Tesla Optimus is expected to gradually drop, possibly even below $20,000. Why can they do this? Tesla may produce hundreds or thousands of units, but that represents a different mode for the company. They are leading the way and are currently the best at operating car factories. But then Starlink is able to produce mini Starlink terminals in their own factory. And if SpaceX can manufacture 5.4 million Starlink terminals per year, then Tesla will be able to produce 1 million Optimus units annually. This is incredible, because it's more than just that. They're similar, as if they're very closely related. And if Tesla can produce 500,000 cars per year, then why wouldn't they be able to produce 5 to 10 million Optimus units at a dedicated robot factory? They can, and they will.
So this year, we hopefully will be able to make about 5,000 Optimus robots. We're aiming for enough parts to make 10,000, maybe 12,000. But since it's a totally new product with totally new, like everything is totally new, I'll say like we're succeeding if we get to half of the 10th.
In a recent live stream, Elon Musk made some bold statements and shared a few ambitious predictions for his humanoid robot project. Now, we're not saying everything he says will happen 100%, because, well, it's Elon. But some things are definitely being set in motion. Tesla plans to produce at least 5,000 Optimus robots this year, although in true Elon fashion, he casually mentioned that the number could reach up to 12,000. So things are about to get interesting. The humanoid robot race is heating up, and after closely following Tesla Optimus and the company's progress for some time, it's clear that Tesla holds a significant cost advantage over its competitors. Elon Musk even claimed that Tesla could produce Optimus for just $10,000, which is insane. On the other hand, Figure AI is also one of the more reliable companies with a clear product development strategy. Their robots are being developed for use in factories and to perform tasks in place of humans, similar to Tesla Optimus. Back to Optimus production. As we mentioned earlier, Tesla isn't just building a product. They're pioneering an entirely new industry. This isn't like manufacturing a new phone or car. We're talking about a humanoid robot that requires absolute precision in every component, algorithm, and movement. Unlike with cars, everything from the assembly line to the AI software is being built from scratch, not copied from other existing prototypes on the market. If you've seen one of Elon's posts on X, you might remember that he confirmed Tesla will offer Optimus both for rent and for direct purchase. But rental will be the top priority. Why does he prioritize this? Instead of a one-time sale, leasing generates a steady and recurring income stream, monthly, quarterly, or annually. This allows Tesla to better predict cash flow and plan long-term finances. Many customers may not want, or be able, to pay a large upfront sum to own a brand new product. Offering rentals at a lower cost makes the product more accessible and expands the potential customer base. In a market where consumers increasingly prefer the use-it, don't-own-it model, like cars, machinery, and tech equipment, leasing becomes a key competitive advantage to avoid falling behind. That said, if you're someone who wants to personally own a Tesla bot, it likely won't be difficult, especially with a price under 20 grand. What makes the Tesla Optimus so different? While most robotics companies focus on building a smarter AI brain or optimizing the walking speed of their robots, they often overlook one crucial aspect: the hands. Human intelligence isn't just about thinking, it's about doing. And what is our most powerful tool for shaping the world? Our hands. Every structure, every technology, every complex mechanism we use daily exists thanks to the dexterity and precision of human hands. Tesla understands this. That's why Optimus is designed not only to be intelligent, but also highly capable. Optimus could be the first robot to truly function like a human, bridging the gap between AI and real-world usefulness. This could be the game-changing advantage that sets Tesla's humanoid robot apart from the rest and brings us closer than ever to the future. Additionally, Musk stated that Optimus will be produced in limited quantities in 2025, with plans to deploy over 1,000 units within Tesla's own facilities and the potential for production for other companies starting in 2026. Optimus is being trained by the supercomputer Cortex, an AI training supercluster currently being set up on the Tesla headquarters campus in Austin, Texas, to enable what they call real-world AI. Cortex will work on Tesla's full self-driving system, as well as the autonomous humanoid system for the Optimus robot. The latter will be used in Tesla's own manufacturing processes. Once completed, Cortex will connect 70,000 GPUs. In its initial phase, 50,000 NVIDIA H100 chips will be installed, with an additional 20,000 chips developed in-house by Tesla to follow. Tesla's vision-only approach is the main reason the company needs a supercomputer. The neural networks behind full self-driving are trained on massive amounts of driving data to recognize and classify objects around the vehicle and then make driving decisions. This means that when FSD is activated, the neural networks must continuously gather and process visual data at a speed comparable to the human ability to perceive depth and velocity. In other words, Tesla aims to create a digital replica of the human brain's visual cortex and cognitive functions. This is what makes Optimus truly stand out in the market. So, what can the Tesla Bot Optimus Gen 3 do after rolling out of the factory?
You can imagine like your own personal robot buddy that is a great friend, but also takes care of your house. We'll clean your house, we'll mow the lawn, we'll walk the dog, we'll teach your kids, we'll babysit, and we'll also enable the production of goods and services basically with no limit.
What do you think about a humanoid robot that can prepare your breakfast every morning, mow the lawn, fold your clothes, or even tutor your child without the need to hire a teacher? Clearly, by using a robot to manage your home, you would save 3 things that most people crave: time, energy, and money. And when it comes to the tasks a Tesla robot can handle, Musk has confidently stated multiple times that it can truly replace humans in tedious, dangerous, and repetitive daily jobs. He has even hinted that you could generate extra income by using this robot for work. However, many people remain skeptical about the role of Tesla's robot if it were to hit the market. We've seen comments suggesting that even if Elon Musk lowered the price to $1,000, they wouldn't spend money on it if, in the end, it turned out to be nothing more than an expensive toy with limited functionality and without the integration of advanced AI. It's undeniable that the main reason customers, including us, turn to robots is to make daily life easier. With only 24 hours in a day, most of us spend over 8 hours at work and come home to a pile of household chores that can feel like a nightmare. But imagine a different scenario, where you come home to a freshly cooked meal prepared by the Tesla bot, a spotless house, and a robot ready to grab a glass of milk or any drink from the fridge while you relax on the couch.
The new Optimus 22 degree of freedom hand and forearm is now in production. And it's learning to walk and catch balls. It's pretty cool.
The new hand design will amaze you, as according to Elon Musk, it can play the piano, thread a needle, and handle tasks that take humans years to master. To perform tasks with precision and care, Optimus's hands play a crucial role, contributing to about 90% of the success of any given task. Its hands feature 5 fingers of varying lengths, just like human hands. However, they are constantly being improved with more degrees of freedom and advanced sensors. This is why Elon Musk is particularly confident in the newly upgraded hands, boasting an impressive 22 degrees of freedom, making them the most advanced robotic hands in history, unmatched by any other humanoid robot manufacturer. You may have already seen it handle an egg, a battery, or a watering can with ease, but that was with a hand that had only 11 degrees of freedom. However, if we only focus on these incredible hands without discussing what enables their precision, Tesla Bot would undoubtedly fall behind. So, what technology makes this possible? The key lies in Tesla's advanced AI, real-time sensor fusion, and powerful neural networks. Optimus relies on the same full self-driving tech used in Tesla vehicles, allowing it to process vast amounts of data from its environment in real time. High-resolution cameras, depth sensors, and tactile feedback systems work together to give the robot an almost human-like sense of touch and coordination. Recent reports indicate that the Tesla Optimus Gen 3 is expected to be upgraded to Hardware 5, which Elon refers to as AI 5, projected to be 10 times more advanced, the Hardware 4. If Optimus Gen 3 integrates this upgrade, it's almost unimaginable how flexible and agile the robot could become. Specifically, the AI 5 computer is expected to achieve a computing power of 700 to 800 watts, compared to around 300 watts for Hardware 4. However, Musk has mentioned that it will be highly energy efficient, especially since it won't be running at full capacity all the time. This makes it more suitable for Tesla Bot to operate continuously for over 16 hours. Tesla Bot Optimus is powered by neural networks that enable it to learn and improve as it interacts with its environment. The more it operates, the better it becomes. It doesn't need your help to figure things out. In fact, Optimus has already demonstrated some remarkable achievements. It has navigated rough terrain without relying on cameras or visual signals, using only its advanced sensors and neural networks to process data in just 2 milliseconds. This is a huge promise for elderly customers and some individuals with disabilities who may need a robotic caregiver.
Assuming things go well, we'll 10x that output next year. So we'll aim to do maybe 50 to 100,000 humanoid robots next year, and then 10x it again the following year. It's like 500,000 robots in 3 years.
First of all, when Tesla scales up production to 1 million units, the price will undoubtedly drop significantly. Tesla certainly has the resources to prove that Optimus production can accelerate at an incredible pace. Recently, Elon Musk confidently stated that by 2027, Tesla could produce up to 1 million Optimus units. Specifically, Musk shared this during a video interview with Mark Penn, Stagwell CEO at the CES exhibition in Las Vegas. Furthermore, Tesla is not starting from scratch when it comes to building humanoid robots. Leveraging components already developed for their electric vehicles gives them a significant advantage, especially with FSD. In fact, this is one of the key reasons why Elon Musk is confident that the company can manufacture Optimus at a cost of just $10,000 per robot.
Also need to be very good at scale manufacturing. So in order to have the robot not cost like hundreds of thousands of dollars, in order to make it cost like $10,000 or $20,000.
It is no coincidence that Elon Musk repeatedly and confidently referred to Optimus as the most advanced humanoid robot ever during Tesla's earnings report at the end of October 2024. He emphasized that Tesla is the only company that truly possesses all the core elements necessary to efficiently produce and scale humanoid robots. According to Musk, while many other companies are also researching this field, they lack crucial components such as an advanced AI brain, an intelligent control software system, and an optimized manufacturing process. Additionally, the shortage of high-quality talent, especially experienced engineers in both artificial intelligence and hardware manufacturing, makes it difficult for them to achieve the same breakthrough as Tesla. Additionally, Elon Musk has affirmed that Optimus is not just an experimental product, but will become one of Tesla's most important pillars in the future. He believes that this robot has the potential to replace humans in many repetitive tasks, from industrial manufacturing to everyday assistance. Tesla Optimus Gen 3. Familiar to everyone, the Tesla Bot Optimus Gen 3 stands out with its practical and household-friendly features, offering support for the elderly, folding clothes, watering plants, and cleaning the house, all for a rental cost of just $2.50 per hour or an outright purchase price of $20,000. It's astonishing to think back to Optimus's early wobbly steps when it was merely a metallic skeletal frame. At the time, disappointment seemed inevitable. But after 4 years of research and development, the latest generation of Optimus moves with the strength and confidence of a human, giving us chills just watching it. It's no surprise that videos showcasing its ability to fold clothes and water plants surfaced more than a year ago. By now, things have reached a whole new level. Optimus's enhanced responsiveness allows it to handle household tasks far more efficiently than its first or even second version. Standing at 5.8 feet tall and weighing 125 pounds, the Tesla Optimus boasts a sleek and well-proportioned design that closely resembles a human, making it approachable and avoiding the uncanny valley effect. Speaking about Optimus, Milan Kovac, a Tesla employee, noted that its latest walking motion features smoother knee extension, natural heel-to-toe transitions, and relaxed arm movements, entirely trained through simulation with reinforcement learning. Elon Musk also highlighted the precise actuators help speed up the automation process. This could very well be the most sought-after choice, as its technology has the potential to integrate seamlessly into Tesla's ecosystem, working alongside electric vehicles, smart homes, and Starlink. If this is exactly what you'd buy, leave a comment saying, "Go Optimus." Then let's move on to the next part. Neo Gamma. The future where you have a humanoid robot at home folding your clothes is much closer than you think, and the cost will be much lower than most people imagine. We can produce these machines at a relatively affordable price. Industry analysts estimate that the Neo Gamma could be priced between $20,000 and $30,000, similar to other high-end humanoid robots. However, this remains speculation, as the final price will depend on production costs, market demand, and future software updates. UBTECH Technologies has partnered with OpenAI and is currently using NVIDIA's AI robotics platform. One thing is clear: the Neo robot still heavily relies on human operation. This means that humans are actually controlling the robot, though it's unclear whether the actions shown in recent videos are autonomous or remotely operated. At this stage, Neo is not yet ready for home use and still requires significant AI development, especially when compared to Tesla's Optimus, which has yet to demonstrate voice command capabilities. Neo Gamma is equipped with dual cameras that mimic human eyes and hands with 20 degrees of freedom, featuring a 5-finger joint design similar to a human hand. This allows the robot to confidently perform daily tasks such as vacuuming, watering plants, and cleaning windows. The AI team has shared that their robot's approach to data is quite simple. They collect information from the environments where the robot will be deployed, aiming to build a general-purpose robot with large-scale data sourcing. This data can come from the internet, human-recorded videos, or simulations. Ultimately, the goal is to deploy the robot in a home setting, but a substantial amount of household-specific data is required. This process seems quite complex and will take time before the robot fully adapts to its environment. Unitree G1 humanoid robots are being hailed as some of the smoothest running robots available today, or at least that's what the company behind them claims. This was the case when Unitree first unveiled its latest humanoid robot, G1, in May 2024. With an agile upgrade, standing at 4.3 feet tall and weighing 77.2 pounds, the G1 is both shorter and lighter than Optimus. Its smaller size may actually give it an edge in agility, allowing it to navigate steeper slopes and run across rough terrain more effectively. This is partly thanks to its 3D depth camera, which helps it map its surroundings. Unitree G1 can run for up to 2 hours on a single charge, and if you need more runtime, it now features a quick-swap battery system for faster and easier replacements. However, if you're considering buying one, be prepared for a hefty price tag. The G1 starts at $116,000, which is many times more expensive than Tesla Optimus. Although the Tesla Bot has not yet been released for sale, Elon Musk confidently stated that its production cost is just $15,000. Ultimately, the G1 is designed for developers and researchers rather than average consumers. It offers an open-source framework and a developer-focused design, making it an attractive choice for university labs and research institutes. Figure AI Gen 2. Figure AI has officially launched its second-generation humanoid robot, Figure 02, priced at $60,000, with a rental cost of $1,385 per month. It is being hailed as the most powerful humanoid robot to date. Standing at 5.6 feet tall and weighing 154 pounds, boasts a sleek and modern design, resembling the Tesla Optimus in appearance. Unlike its predecessor, F02 is now ready to enter the market. Notable improvements include a hidden wiring system, a limb-focused interface, and enhanced safety features to prevent tripping hazards. Equipped with 6 RGB cameras positioned on its head, front body, and back body, Figure 02 features a comprehensive AI-powered vision system. Its brain is the result of a strategic partnership with OpenAI, enabling it to interact directly with humans through built-in speakers and microphones. With a 2.25 kilowatt battery, Figure 02 can operate continuously for over 20 hours. However, Figure 02 is an exception. Its first deployment will be in automotive manufacturing plants, where the demand for labor is increasing and cost reduction is a priority. It can walk freely inside factories and independently transport automotive parts. In another field, the robot learned to make coffee in just 10 hours, achieving a level of precision comparable to professional baristas. This is just the beginning. Brett Adcock, the founder of Figure AI, outlined in the company's master plan that the ultimate goal is to integrate humanoid robots into homes and office spaces. The next phase of this technology will focus on warehouse management, logistics distribution, and healthcare applications. UBTECH Walker S. UBTech has just launched a new AI humanoid robot that is reportedly already working in real-world factories, performing practical tasks. In fact, UBTech has a rapidly expanding team of humanoid robots that are advancing in autonomy, dexterity, speed, and more. So much so that they are even being deployed in automobile factories. But what exactly can they do? The AI robot we want to highlight in this episode is Walker S, which appears to be the third-generation prototype of the Walker series. According to some engineers, its mass production price for automotive manufacturing companies in China is expected to be $3,999. However, the initially revealed price was said to be over $13,000. Walker S integrates 6 advanced AI technologies, enabling it to perceive and interact with its environment in an incredibly human-like manner, with upgraded vision and a sophisticated hand-eye coordination system. Physically, the robot stands at 170 centimeters tall and weighs 65 kilograms, with a total of 41 degrees of freedom across its entire body. However, its hands are only equipped with 6 degrees of freedom, far behind Tesla Optimus, which boasts 22 degrees of freedom in its hands. The reason for this is that Walker S distributes its degrees of freedom across the entire body to enhance mobility in real-world environments. Furthermore, Walker S can adapt to different terrains, maintain balance on slopes of up to 20 degrees, and climb stairs with steps as high as 15 centimeters per step, nearly matching the capabilities of the Tesla Bot. This robot model can handle a payload of 36 pounds per arm when fully extended, compared to the 44-pound capacity of Optimus. One particularly impressive feature is Walker's 4-camera system and dual sensors. This combination provides the robot with exceptional hand-eye coordination for object manipulation tasks, while its contextual awareness is optimized for safe human interaction. However, a significant drawback is its battery life. Walker S can only operate for about 2.5 hours, which is far behind the 8-hour operation time of Optimus. This limitation could be a major downside for industrial applications, where robots need extended uptime to perform complex, repetitive tasks. Lastly, Walker S features an open universal AI interface, allowing it to control smart home devices via standard connectivity, demonstrating its true potential as a service robot. Unitree Go2. You might not know that while Tesla Optimus was still in its conceptual stages, Spot Dog had already been in development for nearly a decade, since 2015. That's why we say Spot Dog was the inspiration for the Unitree Go2, a robotic dog designed to perform various tasks, including surveillance, exploration, and industrial applications. It's easy to see that its functions closely resemble some of Tesla Optimus's humanoid robot tasks, though it's not exactly a useful tool for performing daily household chores. After all, no real dog can do that. Because of this, the Go2 starts at a remarkably low price of just $1,600, with the highest tier version featuring full integration priced at $3,800. This surprisingly affordable price makes it easy for any household to own at least one, whether for entertainment purposes or to ensure absolute home security. In terms of integrated technology, the Go2 is equipped with an ultra-wide 4D LiDAR scanner that continuously maps surface data, enhancing object recognition by up to 200%, with a minimum detection distance of just 0.05 meters. This feature is crucial if you don't want your robotic dog constantly bumping into every corner and knocking things over. This is a slight difference from Tesla Optimus, which is equipped with 8 sensor cameras. Many have speculated that Optimus might eventually incorporate LiDAR technology as well. However, integrating LiDAR into the humanoid robot's compact body is highly challenging, making it a lower priority for Elon Musk. When asked to fetch a glass of water for its owner, the Unitree Go2 immediately refuses due to its operational limitations. Its four-legged design lacks grasping abilities, unlike other humanoid robots on the market. Instead, it is equipped with recognition sensors that provide real-time foot awareness when moving across different terrains. Additionally, we appreciate the Go2's payload capacity of 26 pounds, which is not far off from that of a humanoid robot. With its size and carrying capabilities, it demonstrates high mobility in transporting items, whether light or heavy, into every corner of a factory, or even delivering rescue equipment. Combined with a standard 8,000 mAh battery, the Go2 can operate for approximately 2 to 4 hours. However, if you're willing to pay extra, you can upgrade to a 15,000 mAh battery for extended runtime. Although it hasn't made significant advancements in performing complex tasks, the Go2 excels in communication and entertainment, making it more of a high-end gadget. Moreover, with its LiDAR sensor and wide-angle camera, this robotic dog acts as a nighttime guardian for an entire household, or even serves as a guide dog for the visually impaired. UBTECH Alpha Mini. Finally, a promising piece of technology that could cause a market boom right now is being sold at an unbelievable price of just $1,230. This device can be considered a humanoid robot, though much smaller in scale. A fantastic product designed for children's education, offering a refreshing alternative to the monotonous smartphones that kids spend all day on. Alpha Mini is built with a focus on education rather than assisting humans with daily tasks like cleaning, folding clothes, or watering plants. It would be an unfair comparison to pit this robot against Tesla Optimus, as they belong to entirely different categories. However, given its accessible price point, making it an ideal gift for children, this technology is set to continue booming for years to come. When exploring its design, we were quite surprised that it stands at less than 1 foot tall and weighs just 700 grams, including the battery. Its compact and portable design integrates interactive features, expressive capabilities, and voice interaction. Powered by 4 GLTE, facial and object recognition, Alpha Mini adds a touch of fun to your life. Its 14 servo motors enable dynamic movements like dancing and kung fu, while its charming LCD eyes display a range of emotions, making it an entertaining addition to the family. Thanks to advanced AI, Alpha Mini can recognize and remember users' faces, making it a true companion. Not only for children, but this robot can also become a useful assistant in daily life. It can remind you of your schedule, unfinished goals, and tasks you may have forgotten. What do you think about this? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We hope to bring the best information to you. Please give a thumbs up if you like this. Join Techno Creator by subscribing and hit the bell icon so you will not miss out on any awesome videos. We value your feedback. Thanks for watching. Until then, stay safe and